Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new Jira project using one of Jira's built-in templates. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know not only where to click, but why each decision matters, so you'll set your team up for success right from the very start. If you've ever launched a project and realized later you missed key options, or felt overwhelmed by all the template choices, don't worry, we're going step by step together. Let's jump in. First, you'll need to access Jira's project creation area. At the top of your screen, look for the projects link. Up there in the main navigation bar, give that a click. You'll see an option to create project right away. Alternatively, especially if you're managing several projects or you're in the admin settings already, you can also navigate by clicking the gear icon for settings and selecting projects, then hit the create project button from there. Both routes get you to the same place, so just pick what feels most comfortable or whatever fits your workflow. Now, Jira will open up its library of project templates. Don't rush through this part. Templates are organized by the type of work your team does, so you'll find categories like software development, service management, and work management. Think of this like browsing blueprints before building a house. Choosing the right template sets up your project with pre-configured issue types, workflows, and features that are tailored for your goals. For instance, if your team runs on sprints and story points, Scrum under software development is almost always a great pick. On the other hand, if you just want to manage to-dos or simple business tasks, something like basic task tracking in work management may be perfect. Take your time exploring each template's description. Hover over the options if you're unsure. And remember, there's no rush here. Once you spot the template that matches your team's work, click that option and then hit Use Template. This step is key because it locks in all the smart defaults that Jira's experts have baked into each template. Right after, Jira will ask you to choose between a company-managed or team-managed project. Here's what matters. Team-managed projects are lightweight, easy to set up, and let each team maintain their own rules and settings. Think of it like having a private workspace, great for smaller or autonomous teams. Company-managed projects, on the other hand, are a bit more advanced. They're ideal if you want consistency across many teams, centralized administration, or to integrate with more complex workflows. If you're not sure, notice the little info buttons for more details. Don't be afraid to pause and read. Make your selection and click Next when you're ready. Now, it's time to personalize your project. First, choose a clear, descriptive name, something everyone on your team will recognize, like Website Redesign or Customer Support 2024. Jira will suggest a short project key, such as WR, based on your name, and this will show up in all your project issues. You can customize it if you want. Just make sure it's unique and easy to remember. You'll also pick a project lead. Most often, this will be you, but you can assign anyone from your team who'll be managing the project's progress and settings. Once all of that is filled in, go ahead and click Create. Jira will generate your project with all the template's default configurations, and you're ready to invite your team and start working. There you have it. You've just built a tailored Jira project in just a few thoughtful steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or have questions about other Jira features. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your next project.